What up, YouTube? So today is gonna be a new video. We got a new product endorsement by Ancel, and they sent me over their diagnostic tool for basically any car manufacturers. You got Acura, obviously Honda, the ones that I mainly do. BMW, Mercedes, Aston Martin, anything you can really think of, this diagnostic tool should be able to cover. So I have a couple cars. Maybe we can go over and use this to kind of show an example of how this actually works. So let's open this up and see what we got here. So they give you a nice little case that covers with it. It comes with a 5-inch screen, which is really nice. Let's get these actual ports out of here real fast. So this one is going to be the DLC one that's going to actually connect to the car itself. So this is the side. Usually most OBD2 cars have this port, so this is the side that plugs into that, and then this is going to plug into the actual screen itself. So let's get that out. Also, we have the charging wire that it comes with, and then we have it comes with little straps. That's cool. We have the Ancel diagnostic port itself. Okay. So, yeah, the quality looks really good. As you can see, this is the charging port, the other side of the port for the DLC, and the power. Hopefully this thing has power. We can start it up real fast, or power it on real fast. Okay. And the cool thing about this is it is touchscreen. So once it gets turned on, we'll see. Hopefully we can actually go through the programming without actually connecting to a car. If not, then that's what we're gonna have to do. Okay, so as you can see, it does have multiple languages. I'm obviously gonna say English, so we'll press next on that. And then, okay, so it's Wi-Fi connected, and I'm guessing this is for the software upgrade and everything. So we'll slide down here. Let's see if it connects to my Wi-Fi. Okay. So let's just go over some of the stuff real fast that I guess that we can do. So I'm guessing like they got the actual car. Okay, so you know what, we're gonna have to well, the battery's charged. I might have to connect to an actual car to get all this, so let's get to a car and then we'll come back and start messing with it so I can show you guys that all the functions that's with the Ancel. Alright guys, so we're back now, and we got to the Ancel. We're gonna see what we gotta do. So we got I guess a 16-pin DLC. This is gonna be for the USA. So it's retrieving the information. Yep, so it gives you the VIN code, tells you what kind of car it is, the year, and it allows you to actually print this stuff as well, so we don't need to do that at the moment. We're gonna go through system scan and see what's going on with this and what we can actually use. Alright, so oh, it's still loading. Okay. So as you can see, all the little things, I'm pretty sure this car doesn't come with some of the stuff, but it basically breaks down. So as you can see, what it is going, so this automatic transmission equipped, ABS equipped, SRS, SW seat weight sensor. So
these are all the little things I guess you can check into. Let's press and see. Alright, so the fault codes is a cylinder ignition coil malfunction, and well, it's basically the same code, and that's giving us a temporary misfire. So we'll fix that problem. It's most likely a coil pack. So I guess let's see. Okay, this is pretty much going to the Chrome. So like I said, it does allow you to update this thing. As you can see, this is the Wi-Fi. I don't have mine connected right now. It also gives you look like a battery voltage right here too, which is cool. And then the actual battery for the Ancel itself, the Diagnostic tool, and it comes with the time as well, which is cool because that's actually pretty accurate. I didn't have to do that, so really cool device. As far as that, let's go back and see what else this thing can do. So as you can see, going back, we can pick American, European, Asian, Chinese cars. They're all available, and oh wait, I should choose something else actually. We're gonna go back actually. So let's go back to Honda real fast. Let's see what else this thing is capable of doing. Other than that though, I think this is actually really nice. This is the perfect size. For the price, I think it's a really good price as well. I should have a discount code in the description for anyone who is interested in buying one of these. So yeah, so we can do system selections. So these are pretty much all the things you can go through. Not everything is going to be for this car particularly, but they have the iShift, the E-tensioner, seat weight sensor, active control engine mount system, which I know this car definitely doesn't have, evap vacuum pump system, occupant position detection system, electric park brake, EPS system, which I believe this car might have. Through all these systems you can actually go through, and let's go through the electronic power steering and see if it can communicate. So as the module is detected, you can go through the module information. This gives you the ECU identifier, your VIN code, okay, and then you can read if there's a fault code, which there is. It looks like currently EPS control unit internal circuit. So yeah, that's something. So a lot of different things that you can check out. Let's see what else do we have on here. System scan. I think I did this already. Okay, so it's actually loading right now. We'll see exactly what this does have. So it doesn't have ACM, which like I predicted. The iShift, I believe that's on like BMW cars and stuff, so maybe other cars as well. But yeah, I mean, as far as it can really get into a lot of the newer cars, as far as diagnostic, with all the newer stuff that these newer cars have. So yeah, let's go through the demo. Alright, so this is the demo. You got the IO test, aging test, complex ECU test, display program test, communication interface test, a lot of stuff that you can do. Let's see what this complex, oh, okay, wait. So I'm guessing that might be for dealer type of things. Let's see what else this is capable of doing. Let me see if I can get to, well, you can actually just search for your car too. There's the history. Obviously this is the car I've been going through, so it gives you the information of the cars that you've actually diagnosed as well, and you can delete them. And this is all your information as far as what the scanner is saying that this car is capable of doing as well. So many different things this thing can do. I would definitely pick this up. Let's see, let's go back to Asian Honda. Okay, so yeah, this is pretty much just, you can go through full engine diagnostics as well. It tells you all the codes. You can print out anything, you know, if you're doing a diagnostic for a customer or anything. This is actual, looks like a full system, so it's telling me everything that is going wrong with everything. So you can do a full system diagnostics, and it'll tell you if the car, like I said, it even has it or if it doesn't. And so it looks like, as far as the main things, wow, this thing has a lot. The ABS is completely speed sensor installation error. Yeah, it's even telling you about the airbag. The airbag is faulty on here. The transmission is good, and the seat weight sensor is good. And but yeah, the PCM's having a problem. A lot of things that a regular diagnostic system would not definitely show you. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and fix these problems right now. But other than that, guys, that's pretty much gonna be it on this video. I definitely suggest buying this. Like I said, the product will be in the description below if you want to check this out and want to buy one with my discount code. Other than that, if you haven't, like, share, subscribe, comment, let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys on the next video.